Hi, everybody, and welcome. Today, I'm talking about cinnamon powder. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you a demonstration on how I use it, what I discuss in this video. And if you're new here, I am Danny, and welcome to this channel, Natural Ally D. I am an aromatherapist and a social worker, and I enjoy sharing things that helps to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So cinnamon powder. Most recently, I used cinnamon powder to get rid of any potential fish smell. Had fish, grilled fish, but it may not, it was outside, obviously, but sometimes when you open the door, it may come in the home. And so I wanted to make sure that there was no fish smell. So what we did was we used cinnamon powder, a few tablespoons, put in a pot of water and let it boil. Let it boil for like 5 minutes, and the smell just permeates all through your home. And it was absolutely wonderful. I said, I'm going to do this for the rest of the month and during the holiday season, right? Or anytime you want to freshen up your home and just have that cinnamon, smell. So this is part 3 of the DIY series. This is the finale of the cinnamon essential oil DIY. So I thank you for watching. In the description, I will leave a link that talks about the 10 benefits of using cinnamon powder. And number 1 on the list is it's known to have medicinal properties. So in addition to the cinnamon essential oil, which I talk about in part 1 and part 2, and if you haven't watched that, I'll leave a link to those videos as well. And cinnamon essential oil have benefits to the immune system. For example, if you watch my previous video where I'm talking about immune booster, tea tree and thyme linalool, I'll leave a link to those videos as well in the description. So this is another series of helping your immune system in the during the holidays, and also have a refreshing smell with you in your home and on the go. If you've used cinnamon essential oil for yourself or you've used cinnamon powder in the manner for which I described, certainly let us know that in the comments. I truly appreciate it. So now we're going to have a quick demo and show you how I use the cinnamon powder in a pot. As always, it's a pleasure to serve you. And until next time, God bless you. I love you. And let's also continue to learn, grow, share together naturally. Hi, beloved, and thank you for watching. If you have chosen to subscribe to my channel, liked my video, or shared it with anyone you know may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. Until next time, bye-bye now.